All right. What's up, folks? Here's the second go around of me making a cheesecake. Let's see what your boy did this second time in life. Ooh, shit. Oh, man, that shit look high quality. That look high quality. Let's get into it. Let's see. Make a small cut. And I smell this shit. Ooh. 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 Yeah. Let's see. Oh yeah, taste is on point. Your boy's become a cheesecake expert. Cheesecake expert. Let's get in there. Oh yeah. Selling these for $99.99. Orders going up today. Off the hook.